Hi YouTube.
Hey YouTube friends and family, it's your boy GB Reviews, and today we are doing Argentinian Steak Flautas. And it is a simple meal. It'll probably take you 20 minutes max. Maybe if you take a long time to chop, it will take you longer, but other than that, it is super simple, and we're gonna go through this super quick. What you have is 1 Roma tomato, 1 shallot, you have 2 ounces of shredded mozzarella, you have 10 ounces of steak strips, you have 6 flour tortillas. You have 1 ounce of sour cream, 2 ounces of guacamole, and you have some chimichurri. So this is 2 ounces of chimichurri mix, which you can make yourself or you can buy it. And we're gonna go through this meal super quick. It is an easy meal. When I say easy, easy. There are no other things to it. We're just gonna make 6 flautas, and then you are good to go. There are no sides for this meal, so this is gonna be super quick. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna transition. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna talk through the steps, and then we will start cooking. All right, let's go. So this meal has 5 steps, and some of the steps we've already done already. So your first step is prep your ingredients. You wanna dice your tomatoes in 1/4 inch dices, and then you wanna cut your shallots in half and then cut them into strips to make it easier to cook. Second step is we're gonna make our filling. So our filling, we're gonna do in a non-stick pan on medium-high heat. Super easy to cook our meat. We're gonna add the steak strips and the shallots to a pan with 1 teaspoon of olive oil. And we're gonna cook that for 3 to 5 minutes until the steak is no longer pink. Then after that, we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of the tomatoes, and we're going to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and a pinch of pepper, and we're gonna add 1 tablespoon of water. That'll cook up with the meat. And then at the end of that, we will stir in the chimichurri sauce. So that's the last step. So you're gonna cook it, and you wanna make sure that, so all in all, you're gonna have cooked that about 2 to 3 minutes the first time, and then, 3 to 5 minutes the first time, and then 2 to 3 minutes the second time. So a total of 8 minutes max. And you wanna make sure that your meat is not pink anymore. And then the last step is you wanna just transfer that to a plate, and we're gonna wait. Because the next thing we're gonna do is step 3 is we're gonna assemble our flautas. So you're basically gonna take them and you're gonna roll your meat in them to make them into rolls, kind of like crepes. It's kind of like a crepe. You're gonna roll it up, and then in the pan, when you roll them up, we're gonna put 1 teaspoon of olive oil. So this is step 4, we're gonna cook the flautas. So we're gonna place them in a hot pan, and we're gonna seam side down first. We're gonna sear them closed. Then we're gonna gently roll them until they're brown for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then we're gonna remove them to from the burner. The last step is we're gonna make our avocado cream finish. So that's gonna be classic guacamole, our sour cream, and we're gonna just finish that in a bowl, and then we're gonna top it and plate it. So you'll see us plating it and be done. But this is gonna be super quick. We're gonna high speed everything, so you can see us see me making everything. And then, again, we'll plate it, and then we'll taste it. But it should be super quick. So with that, let's move to the stove, and then we're gonna start cooking. So we're done with that. The cooking was easy. You saw the plating, you saw the pictures. This is the end product. We have the flautas done, and now we just have to taste them. I have a side of guacamole, even though I have guacamole on the top. I sprinkled it with a little bit of chili pepper, but let's see what it tastes like. I suspect it's gonna be good because I made it. No, I'm just joking. I think that the ingredients are high quality ingredients. Home Chef does a good job with sending light, nice organic stuff. This is if you eat one serving, it's about 826 calories for 3. And so it's not bad. Excellent. The thing that I think that makes the higher calories, I think if you're worried about calories, if you exclude the guacamole, then you don't have to worry about the calories. But it's so nice. That was it. This is really a simple meal. Like I said, 20 minutes max. The longest that it takes is just really chopping up the onions and the tomato. But everything else super quick, super easy. This is one of those meals that you can just make, come in your house, be done with. With that, I'm gonna close it out. But please hit the like button for the algorithm. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please hit the notification bell so that you know when my new recipes are coming out. And leave in the comments things you want me to try, foods you want me to try, things you want me to cook. If I can do it, I'll cook it. If I can't, I'll let you know. But, you know, this is kind of a cooking adventure for me. I like it. I like cooking. We're home. Let's do it. Anyway, subscribe and like below. GB out.
Subscribe right below.